Station with the doggy.
The wife is taking over the radio. The wife is controlling the radio, Roger.
Yeah, Darren. Nando is out. Nando is cow.
Only 34 Bravo Mike 016.
Dile tu nombre.
Darren. My name is Belén. Bravo Echo Lima Echo November. Bravo Echo Lima Echo November.
QSL Belén. Well, Belén, nice to hear you and work you for the first time there. Nice to hear the good wife of Nando, 192 there, so 34 Bravo Mike 016. Nice to hear you coming to Wales. You're 5557 here, Belén. Always well here, always good there. And not back into the driving my truck till Tuesday. I'm not back into work till Tuesday for the bank holiday here for the Queen's funeral tomorrow. So no work for me tomorrow there, Berlin. Blue sky, sunshine today, and about 20 Celsius. 20 Celsius, which is very good for September, Berlin. Over.
163 Oscar Papa.
163 Oscar Papa 11034 Bravo Mike 016.
We are very higher, Darren, in the La Gomera, man. With my taxi, you are do contact with La Gomera Island, Darren. Nice to copy you, man. Thank you.